How to fix exclamation mark in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application, and one instance of an exclamation mark in your emails is that it is marked as high importance. So like for example, I have this email right here. It has an exclamation mark right here. That's because this email is marked as important by the sender. So that's why, for example, the message of the email right here says, "Hello, I need to report ASAP today. Thanks." So if you are needing of like a important document, you can use the high importance tag right here uh, to have your emails with an exclamation point. If you want to fix this by removing the mark in this high importance message, you can just double click on the message so that you can open it in another window, and then click File, click Properties. Then for the importance, you can just change this to normal and then close. And then from here, you can just save the changes. And then now the exclamation mark or the high importance tag is now gone. If you are having another problem with your Outlook, like for example, it usually looks like this, where your Outlook icon has this exclamation mark right here. What that means is that it has some problems with connectivity with your account. So the first thing that you can check is your Wi-Fi. So make sure you are connected to an internet connection. And then if you are connected to the internet but you still have this, you can go ahead and remove and add your accounts right here. So you can just go to File and then go to Account Settings and then click Account Settings right here. So maybe you are having a problem with connecting your account. What you can do is that you can just remove them. Then you can click New right here to add it again. So for example, I can click New. Then this window will open where you can go ahead and enter your email address. And then once you have entered your email address, you can just click Connect. And then you can add your account right here again. So now the account is successfully added. Click Done. And then that should now fix your account connectivity with your Outlook application. If it's still not working, you can go to the Send and Receive tab right here and then click Send and Receive All Folders. So what this will do is that it will sync all of your emails in your accounts. So just click that and then just wait for that to finish. So it will open up this window right here. So if you're still having problem, what you can do is that you can fix your Outlook application. So just go right here to search, then type in installed applications, which is this one, installed apps. So just click that. Your settings for your Windows will open. Then right here in the search bar, we can just search for Outlook. From there, just click the three dots right here, click Advanced Options. We need to close Outlook first. And then from here, we have the repair and reset buttons right here. So you can just click repair so that the Outlook application will be repaired. So if it says we couldn't repair this app, try again in a bit. We can try opening it again by going back right here and installed apps. Then go to advanced options again, then click repair. If it's still not working, we can click terminate so that it will terminate the Outlook application if it's running. Then just go back again to the Outlook advanced options. And then from here, just click repair again, and then it should now run successfully. And then you can try opening Outlook again if it's fixed. If it's still not fixed, you can try resetting the Outlook application, but keep in mind, this will remove your Outlook account. So what you need to do is that you just need to log into your Outlook account again, and then your problem should now be fixed. And then that is it. So that is how we can fix the exclamation mark in Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.